Assalamu alaikum. I hope everybody is fine. Today I'll show you how to make a browser with Python. Awesome program Python. So let's go start today tutorial. At first you just create a Python file as like browser.py, main.py, any name. Then refresh the remove all code here. This is default code and import sys. This is default of Python. Okay. Then you just install some package in your project. Just go to your browser or open your browser and search here pyqt python. Then click this link and click and copy. Go to your editor as Python and open your terminal. Then paste here or write down pip install pyqt5 and press enter. It's take few seconds and it's installed in your project. And after successfully installed, this here import from pyqt5.qt widgets. Okay, then import all. Okay, another package is Python Qt web engine. Then copy this line and go to editor and open terminal. Then paste here or write down pip install qt web engine. Then press enter. Okay, successfully installed this library and from pyqt5.qt web engine widgets. Okay, then import all. Now define a class. So this class name is main window. Okay, then q main window. Okay, then clone and here define a function. That's function name is itself. Okay, then super into main window comma self dot underscore init self. Then self dot browser, so equal to q web engine view. Fine. Then self dot set central widget. Okay, self dot browser. Then self dot show minimize and maximum option. Okay, and here from pyqt5 dot qt core. Okay, import all. Then here self dot browser dot set url as like default url, as like when we open a Google or Firefox browser, then default search box is google.com. Okay, so here and q url equal to default url as like http slash google.com. Okay, then right now execute code. So app is equal to q application as dot tp, then queue application dot set application name is like my web browser. Okay, fine. Then window equal to main is like class name. Okay, then f execute app dot ex is execute. Okay, fine. So click this play button as like click play button and run this program. Okay, click out line 16. Okay, no problem. Main window init solve, no problem, and 8 super ops. Here is problem. Okay, then refresh, click again. Oh, awesome. This is my browser and default is Google. Okay, Shabari BD, enter. This is working. Okay, now I need a URL box. Okay, first close this, and here at first a navbar. So navbar equal to qt toolbar self dot add toolbar is equal to navbar. Okay, fine. Then set default is like URL bar. So self dot URL bar is equal to q line edit. Okay, then navbar dot add widget self dot URL bar. Fine. Run again this code. This is URL bar. Okay, so I need some here a back button, forward button, and a reload button. Okay, fine. So here back button equal to q action equal to button name is this is symbol and back button symbol self, then back button. So back button dot triggered dot connect self dot browser dot back. Okay, then navbar dot add action back button. Okay, so this is back button and forward button, then reload button. Okay, I just change this name as forward, and here in this symbol this name is forward button. So forward, and this is not back, is forward. Okay, here this is send this name reload button, and this is reload button, and here is reload. Okay, and this symbol name is reload page or refresh. Okay, fine. Then run again Awesome. Here, this is back button. This is reload button. Sorry, forward button, and this is reload button. Okay, fine. And here, set a home button. Okay, fine. Then set home button. Okay, fine. Home. This is home button. Okay, home button. This name is home button, as like name is home. Okay, and here this is define a function. So navigate underscore home. This is a function. Okay, we just define a function here. Okay, then the function name is navigate home. Sorry, copy this name and paste here. Okay, then self. Right now, just self dot browser dot set URL, then QURL end. Head is home URL is like http slash bashawaribd.com. Okay, run again this code. Fine, open this browser and click home button. Wow, fine, bashawaribd.com. But when we enter some URL as URL inside URL box, type here is like google.com, press enter, but it's not working. Okay, when we just click reload, then it's reload bashawaribd.com, not google.com. Okay, close this and go to your code. Set here self dot URL bar dot return rest dot connect self dot navigate to is like self URL box underscore text. Okay, then URL box text. This is function URL box self. Okay, then write down here this some code. Okay, URL, this is variable name, like self dot URL bar dot text. Fine, then self dot browser dot set URL, then QURL is equal to this URL. Okay, like get URL box. Okay, then refresh again, run again this code. Okay, http slash youtube.com as like youtube.com, then press enter. Wow, it's working. Now it's working. Okay, and back button, click back button. Wow, back, forward button, then youtube.com, reload. Okay, this is working. Thanks for watching this video. Python is a awesome programming language.